Alright. You filming yet?
Yeah.
Alright. Another day, another dollar. Look, it's right on zero, see?
Yeah.
Different temperature today, different number. Great, they're gonna have noise going outside tonight. Hear them out there tuning up the noise?
Yeah.
We need to blow some parts off. Yeah, it looks closer, doesn't it? Yeah, a little higher, that one. My fancy tools out around, see? Okay. So we zeroed that out. So I remeasured the shafts. This is 2/10 over, that other was 1/10 over. Then we measured the bearings. What did we find on those?
Let's see. Old ones are 2 over.
The correct old ones, the 2/10 rollers are actually 2/10 over. That's the 40-year-old bag. Then you get the newer bag, which is in the last 5 to 10 years. The standard ones are a 1/4 thou undersize, 2.5 tenths, and the 2/10 over standard are actually a 1/10 undersize, which is standard. So we're going to call standard 2/10 a standard, and we're going to call the standard ones 2/10 under.
All right.
So basically, the 1/10 over shaft over there and the 2/10 over bearings over here equates to standard. So you add a 1 thou clearance, that means that one, like where it is right now, will be the final size for the left side. Got that?
Perfect.
Now the right side, the standard bearing is actually standard. The shaft is 2/10 over, so that'll be 2/10 above the zero. So, or to the plus side. You add your 1 thou clearance to it, and standard would be at 12.
All right.
And then if you go oversize, it goes 4/10. I mean, up to that 12, it'd be 16. So it'd be way over here. So that's what we're working at. So one size stand, 2/10, it's 1, and the other one's different. Nice. Get that in your head. So basically, it's standard, 2/10, and 16 over. Alright, what do we got to work on? Wasn't you on the bike today? I thought you were on the bike over.
I didn't know.
Okay, we don't need the blinders on today. Okay, we're not holding no cylinders anymore. Alright, we need 1.5 inches. Oh. I think it's this one. Now, let's see, what are we going to use here? We don't want to use the connecting rod ones. So we're going to use the other ones. Let's see, they're 93, 80 something. Okay, so this is our coarser one. I think that's what that said. What's that say on it? Gee, what? Well, me either. Oh, there's interruptions already. Didn't take long. 85.
All right.
85. Go with that one. I'll be back.